what's up? It's Remy. Welcome to the video. Today's video I'm so excited about. I've been working on this one for so long for you guys. It is living like your favorite YouTubers for the week. Well, I'm gonna be honest, they're my 5 favorite YouTubers, and I feel like you guys probably feel me on this one. Today we're gonna live like LaurDIY, Alisha Marie, Jeffree Star, David Dobrik, and Emma Chamberlain. Also, I just wanna say thank you so much to the Creme shop for sponsoring a portion of this video. I'm doing a huge giveaway with them in this video, so I'm gonna talk about that more later, but check out the description box below if you guys wanna enter. Also, be sure to check out my vlog channel for Vlogmas, which is daily vlogs up until Christmas. Give this video a big thumbs up if you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up because I rented a Tesla for this video. That's how all out I went. Subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already, and let's get started.
Oh, Lauren, what are you doing in Remy's office?
Hey guys, it's Lauren. Just taking Is that how she does it? Hey guys, it's Lauren. Matt's recording me today. I'm just hanging out in Remy's office. Thought I'd take over. I actually have this wonderful picture of me and Remy and Mia and Tiff up on my wall just so I can always stare at myself all the time. So today, I just felt like doing another one of my DIYs. You know, I wake up in the morning and I just think like, what can I craft next? So I went into my closet and I found some Air Force Ones that I thought just looked too boring, too bland. And I recently just did this DIY on my channel, linked down below, where I DIY'd these and made them way more fun. Oh, look, it's just a picture of myself and my besties. Do you think if I play any of their music, they'll copyright me?
Probably.
I only have like 15 songs on my phone, one of which that always plays when I start my car. Like, I bought it on iTunes to support. She's gonna copyright me. Okay, so if I remember correctly, I take painter's tape, I cover my shoe, and then I spray paint in water, and then I dip it in. Seems simple enough. Okay, fine, let's do it. Please don't mind the messy closet. I don't even know if I have an X-Acto knife anymore. Okay, we got painter's tape for sure. Whoa! Okay. Ow! Here we go. Blue. I'm gonna do hot pink.
Yeah, that looks good.
These ones? I think it'll be fun. Okay, let's do it. First, I'm gonna remove my shoelaces. Take time. Can't believe I'm doing this again. It's so exhausting being so creative. Okay, like in all actuality, I don't know how Lauren got her tape to stick on the shoe. Okay, here I go. The first cut is the deepest. Oh, yeah. I really hope these are still good. Ooh, that's a good one. Ooh. Okay, I think this is good. Ew! First shoe went better than expected. 3, 2, 1. Ew. Ooh. Ooh. Not bad. I think once it dries, it's gonna look a little different. And welcome back to my I can't do it. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Hi, how are ya? I look bad. Okay, hello all. So, it is the next day. Today, I'm eating my yogurt. If you couldn't tell, by my hand mirror, my pink background, and my Gucci sweatshirt, I am none other than Jeffree Star, who, by the way, I'm obsessed with. When I think of Jeffree, I obviously just think of makeup, so I thought in today's portion, I would just play around with makeup, try and create some like crazy fun look that I think Jeffree might do himself. And today, I'm gonna be using products from the Creme shop, which I love them so much. I've worked with them before. I have so many products here. Also, shout out to the Creme shop for sponsoring this video. Seriously, love their products so much, and I feel like I've been talking a lot, so let's just get into it. Let's play with some makeup, shall we? Dun, 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 dun. So, I'm going to begin by priming my face. This is the It's About Prime Hydrating Makeup Primer. Also, everything that I use will be linked down below. I do know that Jeffree, oh, this is so pretty. I do know that Jeffree has dry skin, so I'm going to use something hydrating. Okay, moving on to our base. So in the first video that I did with the Creme shop, I used the Match Made foundation, which I love, but I want to try their BB cream today. Okay, this is the BB cream in medium. I'm gonna try this one out, and I'm gonna use their little sponge that I used in the last video. That's so good. Okay, this might be my shade. Ooh, okay, I think it's a little light. I'm gonna mix it with a little bit of the tan one. It actually looks really good. My skin's like glowing and it looks nice and natural still. Little concealers, I'm gonna use medium. Now I like a very matte base. Actually, you know what? Jeffree really loves to bake under the eyes, so I think I'm gonna do that with this translucent setting powder. I think it looks good. Okay, I'm gonna start by priming my eyes with the It's About Prime Eye Primer. Also, I probably should mention to you guys that I am going to be giving away everything that I'm using in this video, as well as a bunch of other favorite products from the Creme shop. So be sure to check the description box below if you guys wanna win the giveaway. There's gonna be so many amazing things in it, and I'm super excited. So check it out. Moving on to eyeshadows. How long do I leave this on for? I'm not sure. I'm not very good at makeup. I have two palettes from the Creme shop that are brand new, which you guys can get online. Here we go. Okay, I live for, wow! I live for a sparkly eye.
Whoa.
I have some more brushes here too. I'm gonna open up all this stuff. I think I'm gonna wipe away my baking now because I look a little nuts on camera. I'm going in with the same powder. I got my brush. I'm gonna grab the blue glitter color. Oh my God, it's so pretty. Oh my God. I hope I don't mess this up. I hope I make Jeffree proud. It looks so good in real life. Oh my God. I was fully prepared for me to be bad at this. Wow. This is so pretty. Okay. This brush is actually really good too to apply product. Hold on. My lips are getting chapped. I have like 4 of these all throughout all my different purses. This is the Kiss It Better lip crayon in You Okay. You guys, if you know me, I love like a nudie brown lip. This is perfect for every day. I'll throw it on even just to like go to the gym or something, just to have my lips not dry as hell. I'm gonna brush off any fallout, but not much at all. I'm gonna go into this palette and grab this color here and put that in the crease because I think that would look good. Whoa, oh, that looks good. Oh my God. I'm gonna take the micro brow in dark brown and fill in my eyebrows. Jaclyn Hill actually put this in a favorites video one time and said it was like her favorite brow product ever.
So if you're Jeffree, you have to spill some tea.
Oh, shoot, you're right. I don't have any. We have the Get In Line Felt Tip Liquid Eyeliner, which is so good. Moving on to mascara, I'm gonna do a coat of this, and I'm actually really excited because I've yet to try this one. Whoa, wait, for real? For real, for real? This is gonna be my new everyday mascara. Oh my God. I have a lot of eyelashes, but they're really short. I wish I wasn't wearing such crazy makeup so you could see. Whoa, that compared to my normal lashes. Moving on to my favorite thing in this world though, fake eyelashes. You guys know I live, I breathe, I just love falsies. These ones from the Creme shop are so good. They're the 3D lashes and they are very inexpensive, but the quality is insane. You guys, I'm gonna be honest, I think about this in everyday life. I'm not really good at blending my eyeshadow, but the bigger the lash you wear, the closer you are to God, and also the less you can see your eyeshadow blending skills. Wow, they look good. Moving on with the face, I'm gonna move on to contour. This is the PCH bronzer in Tiki Bikini. I've always wanted my nose to look like that. I didn't know I could do that. This is the brightest crayon in the box glow stick in the shade Twinkle Twinkle. And then to top the cream product, I'm gonna take this Aurora Light Years highlighter and just tap that on top to set the cream and then make it even like more crazy. Whoa, look at that. That looks good. So I already have the Kiss It Better balm on my lips. I'm gonna take this liquid lipstick in Sup Nude and then just kind of dab it on just a little bit. Okay, to finish off the look and set my face, I'm going to use the Rose Water and Coconut Water Toner Mist. Alright guys, that is the look. It wouldn't be a Jeffree video without some final glam shots, so let's see what Okay guys, for real, I had so much fun playing with makeup today. I'm actually gonna leave my face like this and go to my meeting after. It's fine. Again, be sure to check out the giveaway, link down below. Check out the Creme shop. Seriously, buy this mascara and thank me later. Love you, and I'll see you tomorrow. Hello all, Emma here. We are currently walking our way over to Phil's Coffee, which conveniently is in downtown, which is where I live, and also conveniently is Emma's favorite coffee spot. So we're walking there, and I just watched her video, and she said that her favorite, actually it's rather her old order, but it's called an iced dancing water, which I don't know what that is, but we're gonna go in and order it and see how it tastes. And I don't really know, because I'm not the biggest coffee fan, so I'm a little nervous, but we'll see. The people in there were definitely staring. Dun, 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 dun. Da. Can I get an iced dancing water, please? A small one? Small. All right, went to Phil's, got the coffee. First impression, I'm scared. Nope. Nope. Well, I got it black. I need to go put like sugar in it. All right, guys, next up for my day in being Emma, I have decided to dress up like her. I'm taking a lot of inspiration from that We Miss the Old Emma video because that's like the Emma Chamberlain that I always think of. For one thing, my hair looks crazy, and I'm also filming on my iPhone for this whole bit because I've noticed that she loves to film on her iPhone, so that's what we're gonna do. What is this hair doing? Hello? All right, so for this Emma look, I have gone to Brandy Melville and I got this specific shirt because for some reason, I feel like she has worn this before. I don't know, to me it gave like a lot of Emma Chamberlain vibe. She is like the queen of Brandy Melville. She looks so good in their stuff. This looks like it's made for a daisy, honestly. I saw she wore plaid pants in her video, but I don't own plaid what? I don't own plaid pants, but I'm pretty sure I do own a plaid skirt. Okay, change of plans. Turns out I got rid of my plaid skirt, but I found this Dalmatian one. That's like a fun pattern look. I thought it'd actually go really cute with this little top there. Actually, this outfit is gonna be cute. Hold on. Okay, next up, I know she loves her orange beanies, which I actually do have one. Let me find it. Oh, there she is. I just got it in Japan. It does have a bad word on it, so I'm gonna censor it so that we don't get demonetized. There we go, baby. Yes. Oh, you know what? It has a bad word on this side. I'm gonna flip it over and wear it that way. Okay, this is coming together. Last but not least, we need some Air Force Ones and then her IMG pixie coat that I know that she used to wear all the time. All right, over here is where I keep my Air Force Ones. Definitely need these. She has those little like knee-high socks or ankle socks too, which I don't own, but we'll find some. Okay, and then, oh my God, here is where I keep all of my IMG pixie coats, and I'm pretty sure she wore this one all the time. Here we go. Grab her. Okay, there we go. Now time to put the look together. Okay guys, not to toot my own horn, but this is kind of spot on. I am a little freaked out at how good this looks. I've got my orange beanie on. Oh, I didn't even show you the full look. Look at that! Also, this top is way too small for my boobs, but I love that this skirt ties in the black and white, and then the orange ties in with the beanie. I've got my little Air Force Ones on with my socks that I got from Amazon. Daisy approves. We've got my big IMG coat. I will say the mixture of the skirt and the coat and the tank top kind of make it seem like I'm weather confused, but either way, kind of good. Hey guys, whoa, my mirror is so dirty. Next up on the Emma schedule, we're gonna go do her favorite workout ever, which also happens to be my favorite workout ever, and we've actually bonded about this in person, so I'm feeling extra excited, extra in character. Let's go. Emma is quaking in her boots. Here we go, ladies. Hi guys. Okay, just completed my Soul Cycle. I am so sweaty. I don't know why I'm wearing this fur jacket too, but kind of reminiscent Emma would wear. I'm back in the day. But yes, finished my Soul Cycle. Shout out Emma for getting me to get my butt to class because I have not been in a very long time and it was very hard and I thought my heart was gonna explode a couple times, but I feel better. I'm good. Endorphins are pumping. Okay. I'm gonna end today here because I feel like Emma would be done. Go home, eat some snacks, go to bed, and that's what I'm gonna do. So, see you tomorrow. Hey guys, what's up? It's David. I know I'm usually behind the camera, but today we're mixing things up. I've got a cameraman. You're gonna follow me on a day in my life. All right, so I got my merch on, link down below, got my hat, and my Tesla. Video so much. I'm so sorry. No, guys, in all actuality, I rented a Tesla for this video. Please give it a big thumbs up. Also, I'm driving a Tesla today, so let's go! I'm sorry, I'm really focused on not crashing this car because it's not mine.
All right, Rem, actually, how's driving the Tesla?
You guys, this is so cool. I'm having the time of my life. Thank you so much, David, for making these a thing so that I could get one for this video. And I'm very sad to be returning her tomorrow. Also, I've done my research. I watched David vlogs yesterday. I was the first view on one of them. I was freaking out. I love David, and I do know that he likes Chipotle, and I never have Chipotle, so I am very excited to be eating for this video. Get into full character, you know? Get into David's brain, into his stomach, all those things. So let's go to Chipotle! Alright guys, lunch was great. Super full. Now I'm in my Tesla. In case you didn't know, I have a Tesla. Driving over to go record my #1 podcast with my co-host, Jason Nash. Natalie just called me that I have a FanJoy photo shoot in 15 minutes, and I told her to go herself. Natalie! 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 She's so pretty though. Oh my god, I'm a big fan of her. Who's ready to record views?
Yes!
Hey Jason. What's up?
What up? Oh, do I need to be like crude funny today?
You weren't there to see my Tesla.
Did you get a new car? I'll go downstairs.
No, I'm being David Dobrik for the day, so I rented a Tesla. Just YouTuber
Love
things.
just so extra, just living in the world.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another episode of Views. I'm David Dobrik. I have Jason Nash here.
What's up?
Hey, Alisha, it's TK.
Hi TK, update time. I am feeling caffeinated post-Alfred, and now I drove over to the gym to train with my trainer, Brad. Right now I'm doing my warm-up, then I'm gonna get my butt kicked out. Did you even see that?
Barely.
Hello everybody, this is Alicia's trainer, Brad. We're gonna work out today. He's also my trainer, but today I'm Alisha. So, how does Alisha act when she works out?
Quiet.
Are we different, the two of us?
Not at all. You would never notice.
I never shut up.
Besides the sweatshirt, there's nothing in common.
Thank you. Shop AlishaMarie.com. Let's go. Okay, we've been told that Alisha does not talk, so for the next hour, I'm gonna be quiet.
No chance. On to the next one.
I want to ask how your day was. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Again, be sure to enter my Creme Shop giveaway. I'm seriously obsessed with them. That mascara is the best thing ever. I've been using it religiously. Be sure to check out my Vlogmas over on my vlog channel. Like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!